Don't spend $2,000 on the new Macbook Pros. Instead of spending your money on a new computer, use your current computer to generate loads of cash. Let's go! What you want to do is find products that sell online, just like this tripod. Let me show you how. That tripod gets 60,500 searches per month on Google. You want to make sure that products get a search volume minimum of 30,000 per month. Then you want to check the Google trends for that specific product. Look how consistent and sexy this Google trend is. Once you find that product, you want to go to Shopify.com and start building your online store. What you want to do from there is start building an awesome landing page to drive customers to so they can start buying your product. From there, you want to start creating your Google Merchant account, then create your Google Ads account. Once everything's going and you're starting to run ads, what you want to do so you don't have to buy inventory and buy in bulk is start drop shipping the product when you're testing it from eBay. After you've solidified the product that it's making good money, you can go to Alibaba.com and order the product in bulk. Now stop wasting time. Go make that money online.